Do you want to say hello?
Hi. These are either watermelons or pumpkins, and they're a little late. Well, these aren't late because we planted them earlier. So, as you can see, it's climbing. And hopefully these are pumpkins. So I want to have some pumpkin pie.
Okay, what's this?
This is our squash, which looks like it's growing some, but it's not.
It's got a lot of what on it?
It's got a lot of
What's that stuff called?
flour, diatomaceous earth.
Good.
This is our zucchini plants, which is just a little behind from that.
The yellow squash, yeah. It does
Nice.
have some blossoms coming though.
Yeah, it does have a few.
Okay, what's next? We have something new in the garden.
Yes, we do.
What is
These
that?
are actually both new. These are newer.
What are these?
These are chives.
Yeah?
And I really want to try some, so let's hope we get some this year.
And they have really pretty flowers later when they get bigger.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Our kind of massive lettuce plant.
Massive?
Yeah, kind of massive.
They're kind of massive actually. And these are butter crunch.
Butter crunch.
And these?
These are our, wait, what kind of peas are they? What kind of beans are they?
Kentucky pole beans.
Okay, yeah, these are our Kentucky pole beans.
And
you
what's
can see it's climbing, and we also put a lot of diatomaceous earth on these too, because we had some first ones and they didn't do very well, so.
Yeah, they were getting eaten, right?
Yeah, but now they're a little better.
Yeah, I think so too.
They have less holes in them.
Mm-hmm.
That one's really eaten.
Do you see any flowers on these? Not yet?
Flower. These are our 3 cucumber plants. We have 2 more over here, and they're starting to flower.
Yeah, show me where.
There's a little guy right in there. There's actually 3.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And we actually have one on this one.
Nice.
None on this one yet.
And then what's the next plant after the cucumbers?
This is our first tomato plant that we planted last or second to last.
What kind is that?
Wait, what kind is it?
It's a cherry tomato.
Oh yeah, these are cherry tomatoes. They're the small ones.
Mm-hmm. And we've got some nice blossoms on this guy. I need to tie this one up. Look at how much it's leaning over. And this is something that brother made in school that we're going to use to kind of cage that tomato.
And it has 2 tomatoes.
Oh, so it does. There's 2 little
That one was the first one we saw.
2 little babies down here.
Actually, I think there might be 3. 3 babies!
Yay!
That's like the tiniest tomato I've ever seen. These are our 6 pepper plants, and they're doing pretty good. I see some flowers right there.
Mm-hmm.
Pepper.
Yeah?
They're tiny. And down here we have some kale, 2 massive kale plants. We've harvested them 5 times.
Mm-hmm.
5 times, and if you go back to our first garden video, you could see I tried one. It tastes like a snap pea. So,
Okay. We need to prune our tomatoes again.
yes, we do.
Like especially this one right here.
Oh my gosh!
That one's going a little nuts.
I see 2 fused tomato. Wait, is that one?
Oh my gosh, that is a major fasciated blossom. So this is like several tomato blossoms stuck together. So we're gonna get a wonky tomato out of that one.
This is our other tomato plant. We have 10 tomato plants to go back. Mom, who's doing the video, said there are 5.
And this is a cherry, right?
Yeah, this is a cherry tomato again.
Okay.
And it is forming some tomatoes.
How's this? Should I come down there?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
There's like a little tiny, there's a few tomatoes down here. 4 tomatoes, 5.
That's awesome.
6 tomatoes down here.
What else is different on this corner right here? Look at this. Look at that beauty. Our cucumbers are climbing.
These are our other 2 cucumber plants, and they are doing pretty well. They are doing a lot better than the 3 ones over there.
Well, they're definitely bigger.
Well, yeah.
And they're climbing a lot.
Yes, they are. Here you go, little buddy.
And then we still have some little baby snap peas that are kind of not doing great. I don't know what it was with snap peas. However, I did ask my neighbor who has an amazing vegetable garden just down the way here. And she said all her snap peas failed too. So I'm wondering if it's a weather thing or what. She started hers from seed too. So yeah, we're not sure.
These are our 8 tomato plants. And they're doing awesome. They're doing okay.
I think
This
it's
one,
farther down.
oh yeah.
That's the pineapple one right there.
This,
Ooh, look at that.
this is giant.
What kind is that?
This is, what kind is it?
It's a jet star.
This is a jet star, and it is massive.
It's getting there.
I feel like I saw another one.
Did you?
This is are these big tomatoes? What
Yeah,
kind
these
are
are all
these?
slicers on this row.
These are all slicers.
That means they're big.
Except,
Nope, all of them are.
oh yeah, all
Yeah.
of them are slicers.
The one over here,
The one over here
is a
and
cherry.
The one over there are cherry tomatoes.
right, you got it. So what else did you want to show on this row?
These are forming some tomatoes pretty quickly. As you can see, there's lots of tomatoes down here.
Yeah.
And look at that.
Oh, little baby. Cutie babies.
Yep, cutie babies. This tomato plant isn't doing as well as all the other ones. Well, these 3 aren't doing as well. This one's the smallest, right?
Yeah, it is
Oh, it
pretty
has
small.
a big tomato. Giant tomato. Wait, are
Hey,
there?
little guy.
Oh, there's
Oh,
another one.
that one's so teeny.
And another one. There are
So
3
teeny.
tomatoes.
Look how teeny.
Oh, 4 tomatoes. There you go.
Teeny. So these were here. So these were here last week, and they're not a whole lot bigger. You can't really see this one. Let's see. Can you see it?
It's like right over here.
Yeah.
Big tomato.
But on this plant,
There are several tomatoes.
those are new.
Is
so
there-
welcome, little guys. Our plants look a little bit. See how the leaves are curling right here?
Yeah,
That means they need some water.
yeah. Yeah, so who is that? My gardening girl again.
Jess.
Yeah, so we watched a gardening video and this woman named Jess, so in the video that we watched today of hers, she showed us that her tomato plants were curling up too in her raised bed.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So we need to get down here and water maybe.
I want to make this, one of those, like,
Gigantic gardens. Yeah, me too. So over here we have our little patio area and we have some herbs, right?
this is chamomile. This one's doing awesome.
Yeah, it's got nice new flowers.
And this is our lavender.
Mm-hmm.
Is it bigger?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bigger. Niche. And if you come over here, this black-eyed Susan isn't doing very well.
It sure isn't.
It's right there.
Something keeps eating its leaves.
And it's just not doing great. Thankfully, we have a lot of strawberries at our house.
We have wild strawberries.
Yes, and just so you know, if you want to come to the Russell family's house, which is right here, you're free to have as much mint as you want. We have...
Oh, let's show the mint. Let's go show this is where we had our old garden.
Yeah, this is where we had our old garden, and it's just surrounded by mint.
So we ended up dumping wood chips on this, and there's actually a couple cattle panels right there, but the mint has grown over them. So yeah, this is all chocolate mint. And if you're a gardener, you know what happens when you leave mint to its own devices. So this entire patch is huge mint, and I'm not even sure if you can tell how tall it is. Violet, come and stand over here so we can have you as a...
This is how tall the mint is compared to me.
Yeah, it comes up almost to your waist.
Yeah, it almost comes up to my waist. So it's like, I don't know, 10 feet tall?
Not really 10 feet, no.
10 inches
It's maybe 18 inches tall, 20 inches tall.
This is our oregano plant, and it's doing pretty well. This is from my grandma. She has a friend who gardens too.
Thank you, Susie.
And this right here, this baby is a mystery. It's a mystery tree.
I think it's a red bud.
Yeah, I think it's a... Mom thinks it's a red bud, and this is our bleeding heart.
Bleeding heart, right.
Which isn't really bleeding any hearts right now.
No, it's not bleeding any hearts right now. And down here, we have our good friend Ponce de Leon. And we have a memorial for our cat, Zeke. And we have this little angel that looks over him, right?
Yep. See you next time. Hope you like our next video if we make a next video.
Thanks for watching.